Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ha ka jingyalang bat kilat patay kubor balapelong da kehe sipai kari badai kmi ha ka operation Sindoor ka balapelong ha ka khatway teri ujimang arja apusan kila pentip bat pensyai pat ba halor ka jinglong jingman ha ki sngi baladep ha ka jingye khun bat ka jingye siat bat kari Pakistan haba ai jingkren nakaliang u Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai Shakila patay kubor ulay ito bamin ha ka khatway teri ujimang arja apusan ka operation Sindoor ka perkhat da katong ka basay banpin saja yakitu kibale yaki kam snew bat banpin jatlut yaki jakatri kam jong ki Lehnoh shu uloong balasdang da ka jingwat benya bha yaki jaka basyong ki Lehnoh bat ki jaka ajing hikai jong ki Lehnoh ka Pakistan hindrei ha ka jing bishar lashem bakidan ka tu kat ni ki jaka bala no da ka India ula benrap ru da ka baong bala bu ru ki kindon ki basai bat ki jing pet perkhat ban pelong baka Jingthmu jengi kinlong betang yaki Lehnoh Barbanlat nakajing duay yaki waypat ki Briew baluyluy ka Pakistan.
Operation Sindoor was conceptualized with a clear military aim to punish the perpetrators and planners of terror and to destroy their terror infrastructure. What I do not state here, of course, is the often stated determination of India and its intolerance to terror. It set into motion a very diligent and microscopic scarring of the terror landscape across the borders and the identification of terror camps and training sites. The locations that emerged were numerous, but as we deliberated more, we realized that some of these terror hubs were now bereft of any presence and had preemptively been vacated, fearing retribution from us. There was also a term of reference and our own binding, self-imposed restriction to target only terrorists and thus prevent collateral damage.